Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to generate SSH key for the GitHub. So let's start. So SSH stands for Secure Shell. So it is one of the way for the GitHub authentication. GitHub have removed password authentication. SSH uses key-based authentication, which is hard to hack, not sent over the network, and it is resistant to brute force attack. So let's see how to generate SSH key for the GitHub. So first of all, open your Git Bash. Open your Git Bash in administrator mode. Then you need to type a command ssh-keygen -t, then ed 25519 -c and email ID for the GitHub. Then press enter. So over here you can see the message generating public private ed 25519 key pair. So it will ask you for the file location. I am keeping the default file location, so press enter. So it will ask you. So in my case, I have already generated previous key, so I want to override it. So I am pressing Y, press enter. Then it will ask you for the passphrase. So I am keeping it as empty. It will again ask you to enter the same passphrase again. So I am again pressing enter. So over here you can see the key is generated. Now we want to copy that key. So to copy that key, we need to type a command cat tilde operator /.ssh then /id underscore ed25519.pub, then press enter. Now this is the SSH key that we have created. Now copy this key. Now open your browser, go to your GitHub account. Once you go to your GitHub account, then click on this icon, go to settings. Inside the settings, over here you can see the option SSH and GPG keys. Now here is the option SSH key, then click on new SSH key, type up the name of the SSH key and paste the SSH key that we have copied. Then click on add SSH key, and over here you can see you have successfully added the SSH key. It may ask you for the authentication for the GitHub. Now once the SSH key is added, now we want to test the connection. So to test the connection, again open your Git Bash, then you need to type a command ssh-T, then git@github.com. Then press enter. And over here you can see, hi, your user ID, and you have successfully authenticated. So in this way, we have successfully created SSH key for the GitHub, and we have also done the authentication. So in this way, you can create or generate the SSH key for the GitHub. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.